Hey, this is Elliot from AutoKey Pro. I get sometimes people ask me how they can avoid to not to break those probe inside the machine, the guide and and that bit over here. If you're using a Hyundai or Kia, it's gonna break because they use a stiff metal, so you're gonna use a regular cut, not the automatic one. And make sure always when you duplicate, brush those keys very good. Like I use a heavy duty brush to brush those keys, and I personally use a rubbing alcohol to clean it very good. Wipe everywhere here, wipe the probe, and this is very important. If it gets some grease, it's gonna break right away, and it's gonna cut no problem. I'll show you some cutting I'm doing for that vehicle. Um, these Dolphin are great machine. They're the best so far, and if you take care of it clean, every time you duplicate or cut a key, it's not gonna break. It's gonna last minimum 1 year. Anyway, thank you for watching.